Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing some kind of a pour today, but first I want to talk to you a little bit about plans I have for my channel, show you some paintings I've done, and talk about a sale I'm going to be having. So, first of all, my channel. I've mentioned in a few videos that I'm planning to retire my channel when I reach my 70th birthday in November. Time's a wasting. And no, let me start over. Hello, my friends. What am I doing? Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a pour today, but first I have some information about plans for my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you some paintings I've done and talk about a sale I'm planning. So, I have mentioned in a few past videos that I was going to be retiring my YouTube channel in November on my big 70 birthday. But I'm kind of rethinking that a bit. I have close to 500 videos. I think I'm at 490. I'm going to continue my usual 2 or 3 videos a week until I reach 500. And then I'm going to continue with my pouring from coast to coast collaboration, and that's every other week. So just 2 a month once I reach that magic number. I think that'll be doable for me. As you can imagine, having a YouTube channel is very time consuming. It's not only filming of the video. I don't do a lot of fancy editing, but I do a little bit. But it's the promoting in all the Facebook groups so people will watch your video. It's the commenting, everything. I spend hours and hours a day, and I need that time to do other things. It's not that I don't find fluid art challenging, because I do. I've been doing it for, I think, 6 years now, and it's still challenging. I have plenty of flops, things I scrape off, and it hurts me to waste the paint like that. And I just produce too much fluid art. It doesn't move like, you know, I would like it to. So that's part of the reason I'm having a sale too. But mainly it's that it's not fulfilling enough for me. I enjoy brush painting, as most of you know, and that's what I really want to spend more of my time on. So that's my reasoning behind cutting back drastically on my channel. I'm not going to be promoting it on the Facebook groups so much anymore, so please be sure you're subscribed and click the little notification thing so you know when I give videos, because if I don't promote it on the Facebook groups, I don't get that many views. So I think it's because people aren't, you know, they don't ring the bell. I don't know how that works, but anyway, let me show you a couple paintings. You may have seen this one already, but I want to show you because it's related to the next painting I'm doing. This one, as you can see, I poured the body of the horse, let it dry, and then added details. And, you know, I'm pretty happy with it. I think it came out okay. But I don't love the colors. Now, I used the leftovers from this one and poured another horse, different position. And I just didn't like the colors again. So I tinted this one in burnt sienna and various colors, and I did a lot of brush work over this painting. And now I like it a lot. You can still see some of the pouring here and in this whole area. A little bit of swiping right there. But for the most part, the main, I think, is the focal point, and I'm going to be working on it a little bit more, and I have to touch up the background here and there, but I'm pretty pleased with it. I'm going to be entering this one in a competition next month. So that's that. And then I've got this one, which is not pouring involved at all, but it's, actually there's a pour underneath here. But I just brush painted this. There you go. And I love this picture. This was a beautiful photo reference by Denise McQuillan, and it's been painted. This particular still life has been painted by lots of people, lots of times, but in fact, I've done it before in colored pencil, and I loved it. So I wanted to tackle it again on a larger format and in acrylics. I may do it another time in oils. We'll see. I'm not done with this one either. I need to bump up the colors here and there and work on the background a bit. But this will be my second piece. You can enter 2 in the competition. So we'll see how that goes. But this is the kind of thing that is really my passion and my love. So I need more time to do that type of thing. And that's a large reason why I'm cutting back on my channel. But I'll still be around on a limited basis. So, a sale. A couple months ago I had a half-off sale on a lot of pieces on my website. I'm going to do it again. So I think tomorrow I'll do a little video showing you the half-price pieces. I'll send you to my website where you will you know, look through everything, and I'll have a lot of other pieces, 30–40% off, that I'm not going to be showing in tomorrow's video. So take your time, enjoy looking through, and do what you want. And I'll explain about shipping in tomorrow's video. It'll be the same way that I handled it last time. So I think that's everything. Let me mix up some paint and get to today's pour. Alrighty, I decided I would just do a little ring and ribbon pour on this 10 by 10 inch canvas. I guess it could be considered my signature pour. I really enjoy doing them, and they usually are successful, but I haven't done one in a while, so fingers crossed. My colors today are Artist Loft White, Soft Body. Well, 2 Artist Loft. This one is Brilliant Blue with a bit of black to make it much darker. The rest are Master's Touch. I've got Sky Blue, Purple. This is a mix of light olive green and lemon yellow. And this is Viridian. I think those all together will be quite pretty. I'm going to use my turntable to pour as I pour the cup out. I'll just do a straight pour and turn the canvas. I'm not going to spin the thing out, though. I have an aversion to spinning, so you'll never see me doing that. Okay. I have my reasons, but I'm not going to go into them here. All right. Oh, and I am using my polycrylic mix. I'll put the details down below, as well as a link on how to mix a big batch of it. It is a little on the thick side. I think I can show you best with this color. It's 3 parts mix to 1 part paint. Needs to be a little thick, a little thick for this technique, so it maintains the rings. They stay nice and crisp, and the colors are somewhat separated. And I mix them 3 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint, and I add water if necessary. But the white is pretty much the right consistency without any water. So if you were to mix this one first, then you just add water to the others as needed. Excuse me. To reach the right consistency. So here we go. Let's fill up this cup. Begin with the white. Pretty at this point. I said I was going to do ribbons, and I must. What I'm going to do is add white to my cup here because it's, I'm not seeing much white. There's probably white at the bottom. I started with white, but I'm going to add the rest of my white in here. I'll start off my little puddle and bring it in. There's my white. That didn't work so good, but there it is too. Look at all the wonderful striping going on and the twisty-turny of the ribbons. I like that. Okay, that's it for now. Now I'm going to tilt, move my turntable. I will tilt and then add some more skinny ribbons. Bring you in for a closer look right now. It's kind of pretty. All right, here we go. Kind of bubbly. I just now mixed up this medium. It was out. See how nicely this medium keeps the colors nice and separate. And it will hold these ribbons I'm pouring. They're not going to change on me. As far as spreading out goes. Oh, I'm liking that swoopy doopy there. Now just this corner. Okay. Now I've got coverage over the whole canvas. Sides are looking good. Now we'll just add some skinny ribbons and call it good. I think rather than use what I have in the cup, I'm going to scrape out, you know, there's always paint left in the little cups. You think you've poured it all out, but there's always something left. I'm going to add what I can to my white cup here and use that rather than this. It's getting a little muddy. So, white cup. I'd like to see some of this aqua, or Viridian, it is. I won't do all the colors. Have more of this dark, I think would be nice for contrast. What else? I think I've got plenty of green. Green can take over. The purple looks pretty good. And I have plenty of blue, so that's it. Now to decide where I want skinny ribbons. I like to overlap things. It helps with the 3D look. I always kind of look at what I don't want to cover. I like that area, which was the last pour out of the cup. So I'm not gonna do too many ribbons over that, but come over here. Oh wow, it's all purple. I don't want all purple. I'm going to pour some of that off till I start seeing another color. There we go. The purple was bossy. There's the white. I like that. Just one or two more. I like the dark. That could be it. Yeah, I think I'll stop there. I like it. Do I want one more here? Yes, I do. One more. Okay. Yippee! I like it. Let me bring you in for a closer look. This is kind of a long video, my friends. I'm sorry about that, but with the stuff I showed you at the beginning, it just went a little over time. But here we go, close up. I like it. I like the skinny lines along with the thicker ones. This is just a fun piece. Thank you for watching, my friends, and I hope you'll tune in tomorrow for my little sale preview video. Until then, happy painting!